Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. I know that a lot of you are prepping for nationals, and four-time US Open champion Laura Fenton Kovanda is here doing a 4-week series on how to be better prepared when you hit the courts on tournament day. So Laura, what's tip number one?
Tip number one, we're going to talk about how do we prepare, say, 3 to 4 days out before your event. We're not talking about yet if you're going to play 2, 3, 4, 5 events at the tournament, but 3 to 4 days before your first event. First of all, tip number one, 3 to 4 days out, depending on your age. If you're 50 and over, 60 and over, 70 and over, we know that our recovery time is not as quick. So I always say 3 to 4 days out, depending on what kind of physical condition you're in already and what your age is. That wants to be your toughest day. You want to have at least 3 days in between or 2 days to recover. So that particular day is a day I'd want you to go out and play hard, maybe do some weightlifting, your speed training, if you're going to do any work in the gym or running, but that's going to be your hard day. So that's tip number one.
We've got a few more tips coming your way to help you get prepped for nationals or any other tournament that might be on your schedule. Hit the subscribe and then the bell notification, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.